I decided to remove these holes from the low poly and fake them with an alpha texture, thereby further reducing the amount of geometry. This is how I modified the low poly. In the high poly version, first applied bevel and sub the surface modifiers for each object. Let's delete the low poly version of the fuel cap. This high poly surface information will be baked into the low poly model using a normal map texture. These little filled holes will be baked as an alpha texture and will look like they have been cut out. And this ring will serve as a transparency object, as well as this one. This concept of baking textures will become clearer in future tutorials. Now it's time to reduce the number of objects. Let's select and join these objects. Now let's join these guys. Put them all in the same collection and delete empty collections. Let's apply modifiers of the regulator hole if you haven't already, and set it as a child of the frame. Let's also set this transparency ring object as a child of the frame. Set this transparency ring as a child of the mobile. Now we have the same number of objects as in the low poly version. Let's add a suffix high for high poly model. See you in the next lesson.